Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss how to create and modifying level in Revit architecture. So let's start. So here first of all you have to open the Revit software. So when you open the software, here you will get the recent file window. Here you can see why we are calling this recent file window, because recently whatever project you have created and you have saved, so you can see the preview of that project here. Okay, so this window is called as a recent file window. Now when you come here, you will get one option, model, and one family. Suppose if you want to create a new project, so you have to come here in model, hit on new and start your work. Suppose already you have saved any project, so what you have to do, you want to open that project, so hit on open. Okay, then from where you have saved your project, just select the required location and open it. So now here I want to create a architecture. We have to see the level, how to create level in Revit architecture. Okay, so we have to open the architecture discipline here. So see, in model, hit on new. So when you hit on new, here you will get one dialog box, template file is written. So from here you have to hit on browse. Now see, when you come here, so in which unit you want to work, so here different unit is given. Okay, so here if you want to work in imperial unit, so you have to select the English imperial. Okay, imperial means if you are working in inch, feet. Okay, so you have to hit on English imperial. Otherwise if you want to work in metric unit, so you have to hit on English. So suppose let's say I want to work in imperial unit, so hit on English imperial. So when you hit on English imperial, so under this English imperial, here you will get the different discipline like plumbing discipline, mechanical discipline, electrical discipline. So suppose if you want to run the plumbing services, so you have to hit on plumbing default discipline template file. Okay, if you want to run HVAC services or firefighting, so you have to hit on mechanical default template file and open it. But here we have to open the architecture template file. So here you can see anywhere architecture is given, no, but one option is given default. So default is actually is our architecture template file. Okay, if you want to create any architecture layout, so you have to hit on default. Just select the default template file from here. You can see the file of type is also written .rte and open it. Then finally hit on OK. Now see, here you will get the architecture discipline. So your architecture template file is open now. So when you open here, you can see the complete user interface of Revit is shown. Already I have discussed about the Revit user interface. Okay, so here you can see in left side you will get the property palettes. Okay, in right side project browser. In project browser you will get the floor plans, ceiling plans, elevation plans. Okay, everything. Here you can see the our application menu, then different tab, file tab, architecture tab. In that you will get the build. In architecture tab you will get the build panel. In build panel different walls properties, different tools are there. In modify tabs you will get the different modifying tools. Okay, so this is already I have explained about the user interface. Now here the question is, we have to create a level. Okay, how to create the level, that we have to see, and how to modify the level. Okay, because before creating any floor plan you have to create a level. So by default in Revit, two levels already they have given you. Okay, so if you want to see the level, so first of all just go to any elevation plan. From here, from project browser you have to open any elevation plan. For example, let's say here I'm taking north elevation. Just double hit on that north elevation. So here you can see by default two levels are there, level 1 and level 2. Level 1 is what? Suppose if you want to create your ground floor plan, so your ground floor plan will start from level 1 and up to level 2 the ground floor plan is completed. So whatever height you want, so it is showing the height. Suppose if you have created any ground floor plan from this level 1, so the end of ground floor is up to level 2 only. Okay, see the height of level ground floor is also given 10 feet. You can change this height, everything. Okay, now come here and see, By default you will get two level here. Suppose you want to change the name of this level 1, you can see in flow project browser also. In floor plan you will get level 1, level 2 in ceiling plan, but always we have to work in floor plan. Okay, so now here level 1, I want to change the name of this level 1. I want to give the ground floor name. Okay, so what you have to do, take the cursor near to that level, just left click. Now when you left click, see the level 1 is selected. So if you want to change this, here you will get two box. You can see one in level 1 and second box is showing in dimension. So first double hit on this level 1. Now you can write down anything like I'm writing ground floor. Just write down ground floor. Enter. So what they are telling when you enter, would you like to rename corresponding view? So same whatever name you are giving here, ground floor, same name you want to see in project browser in floor plan or ceiling plan also? Yes. So if you want to see, hit on yes. Now see here also the name is changed, and in project browser, see in floor plan the name is changed, ground floor, ceiling floor. Okay, same thing here. I want to change the name as a first floor, so I'm writing first floor. Enter. Yes, I want to change, I want to rename the corresponding view, so hit on yes. Now see, but when you see in project browser, see what happening here. I want, first of all I want ground floor, then below that I want to see the first floor. But here Revit, what alphabetically Revit will arrange your, so you know that in ABCD F is coming first or G? F. So that is why Revit will give the first floor first, then below that ground floor. Alphabetically they arrange the, so for that if you want ground floor to see here, so what you can do, better is to take the cursor, just double hit here, before ground floor write down the numerical value 0 1. Okay, like this 0 1. Enter. Yes, now see numerically you will arrange your floor plan. Double hit on here also, write down 0 2. Okay, enter. Like this you can arrange. So here I don't want to give the dash. Okay, so remove it. Enter. Clear? So in this way you can change the, you can rename the name ground floor, first floor, like this. Okay, same way suppose now you want to rename elevation, you want to change the height of your ground floor. Okay, suppose from here to this is the top of ground floor. Now if you want to create the first floor, so you want to create one more level. Okay, that I will explain you later. So first of all, the height of ground floor is showing 10 feet. Suppose you don't want, you want to increase the height. Okay, take the cursor here, double hit on this dimension box, elevation box, and then give any dimension which you want to give. Suppose I want for ground floor, I want to give height 15 feet. So here I have written 50. 1 5. Just press the enter. Automatically see Revit will give you the value in 15 feet. If you know, because we are working in imperial unit as I told you. So here you will get automatically the value in feet and inches. Okay, suppose if you don't want to see, if you want to change the unit, here you don't want to see the 15 in feet, you want in millimeter. Okay, so that also is possible here. So for that you have to use the unit command. So see from where you will get the unit command, in manage tab. When you hit on this manage tab, here you will get the one option. Okay, project unit option is given. Okay, so you can select the project unit, or otherwise what you can do, see from here in setting panel project unit option is given, and you can use the shortcut also. So hit on this. Here you can see you will get the dialog box, so you can change the unit and everything. See length, mass, density, slope, everything. So here suppose I want to change the unit, so here we have to use the length, just hit on that. So now we are working in feet and fractional inches. If you want to change it from here, you can change. Suppose now if you want to work in millimeter, select it. Rounding as per your requirement. Okay, 0 decibel places I have taken. If you want to give the symbol, millimeter symbol, so hit on millimeter symbol, okay, then finally okay. Now see, you will get the value in millimeter, okay, and symbol also same thing. But now I want to work in feet only, so I'm using the shortcut UN. Press UN in front of length, hit on that here, just convert it into feet and fractional inches only, and rounding from to the nearest half inch. So as per your requirement you can just take it, okay, and finally okay. Okay, now see, you will get the unit in feet. So in this way you can change the unit also as per your requirement, okay. So in this way we have to do the setting, okay. Now suppose here I want to do some setting, like I want to modify the level. So what you can do, if you want to modify, suppose you want to change the color of this level, you want to change the pattern of this level, so all that, you want to change the thickness, so that all you can do it. See, suppose just first of all you have to select the level which you want to modify. See, I have selected the ground floor level. Now in properties palette, when you see here, one option is given, edit type. Hit on that edit type. See, now here you will get the elevation base, project base point, okay. From here you can change the line weight also. You can see here, suppose here I have given, suppose line weight 10. So see what happened, if you take the 10, see automatically the level line weight is changed now, okay. But just take it one only, okay, one, okay. See, again select it, edit type, okay. Now suppose if you want to change the color of this level, so okay, hit on this, which color, what color you want to give, suppose red color, select the red color, okay. See now the level color, you can see it is showing red color, okay. Same way, if you don't want to change, select the level, again just change it as a black, okay. So now again you will get the black color. Same way, if you want to change the line pattern, here see, by default you will get grid line half inch. You want to change, from here hit on this drop down list, suppose you want to see the hidden line, select, hit on apply. Now see, it will show you the hidden line. If you don't want to see another type, from here you can just select any of the type, apply, see dotted line, but I am selecting that only, gridded, okay. So from here just select grid line half inch, apply, okay. So here you can see the graded line. Now same way, if you want to here the symbol option is given, level head circle, here you can see the spot elevation is given, so it is circle. If you want to change it, okay, from here if you want to see no bubble type level head, so hit on no bubble type, apply. So see here whatever symbol is shown for sport element is hidden, okay. If you want to see the bubble, means circle, hit on that circle, apply. In this way you can do the setting. Now second thing, symbol at end to default. By default here Revit will show you the symbol of sport elevation. If you want to see this symbol in both sides, here also see same symbol, sport elevation symbol, you want to see in this side also. So what you have to do, select the level, edit type, here you have to check symbol at end one default, apply, see, and okay. Now you will get the symbol here also, okay. So in this way you can modify the level. Now from here I am just uncheck this, apply, okay. Okay, so in this way we have to do the setting. Now suppose here if I want to create one more level, okay, ground floor already we have created, okay, from here to here, this is the complete height of ground floor 15 feet. Suppose in my drawing I want to create the first floor also, so for that we have to create one more level na here. So how to create level, see all of you. So for that you have to hit on architecture tab, datum panel, here you will get the option level, or you can use the shortcut also double L. And remember one more thing, that in Revit you can change the shortcut as per your requirement. How to change, already I have discussed in basic editing tools. I have shown you the keyboard shortcut command. Okay, with the help of that command you can change the shortcut also in Revit, but in AutoCAD it is not possible. So okay, I want to create the level. Just hit on level. Now what you have to do, just take the cursor near to any Revit, trace it. How much? See here you will get the projection line, dotted line. It is a projection line. And second, it is showing dimension line 16 feet. So how much height you want, as per your requirement you can select the height, or later also you can change the height. Suppose here I am drawing level at what height, 20 feet 6 inch. Okay, just left click, drag it and place it here. Okay, now see it is showing 35 feet 6 inch. So this height it is showing from ground floor. Okay, so if you want to change this height, okay, suppose your ground floor height is 15 feet, same first floor height also I want to take 15 feet. So it means here we have to write down 30 feet na? Double hit and write down. See, double hit, write down 30 feet, enter. See, now here the first floor height is also 15 feet and ground floor height is 15 feet. But always in level they will give you the show you the height from the ground floor only. Okay, so in this way you can create, and here you can rename it, write down 03 second floor, second floor, enter, hit on yes. Now see here you will get in floor plan you will get the ground floor, first floor, second floor. Okay, in this way you can add the level in your drawing. Okay, now next thing is what next you can see, suppose the level which we have created, the length of this level you want to reduce the size. Okay, select any of the level and from here drag the extent of the level in the model, just drag it. You want to reduce the length up to here. Okay, so here you will get the level. Okay, but see when I'm trying to reduce the length, so all three level length is reducing. Suppose only I want to reduce the length of this second floor level, so for that you have to unlock first of all from here, just unlock it. Now when you select this level and reduce the length, now only that level will reduce. First you have to unlock, okay, then only it is possible. Now see, if you want to reduce the length of level, each and every level which you have created, so for that you have to lock the level. So see, I want to reduce or I want to extend the level, so only this second floor level, unlock and extend it, so that level only you can see here. Okay, so in this way you can do it. Now second thing, as I discussed that if you want to see the sport animation in opposite direction also, so what you have to do, select the level. From here you will get the check box. Here one box is shown here. If you check it, so automatically you will get the symbol in this side also. Okay, second thing, as I shown you that when we are creating the level architecture tab data and panel level, so what we are doing, we are starting to create the level from left side. You can create the level from here also, like this also. After creating, what you can do, from here select this level. If you don't want to see this symbol here, sport elevation, uncheck it. You want to see here, okay, check it like this. Okay, now you can change the name as per your requirement. Okay, so in this way we have to create and modify level in Revit architecture. I hope all of you enjoyed this session. See you in next one.